Now, this is what we call an electrician's heaven, since you are about to check out some pretty awesome tool bags for our electrician friends. Don't wanna wait? That's fine. Let's go. DEWALT DGL 573 Lighted Tool Bag. Number one on our list is the mighty DEWALT Lighted Tool Bag. Ever seen a tool bag which marks the territory for each of your tools? Well, this is your hero, since it's illuminated, lightweight, comfortable, and comes with 41 pockets. Yes, you heard it right. On top of it, it comes with two batteries which keeps the lights running. No need to carry the bulky torches anymore, peeps. Number 2. CLC Custom LeatherCraft 1539 Tool Bag. Keep wondering with the number 1 while we are planning to hit you with another masterpiece. At number 2, we have the perfectly designed tools carrier by Custom LeatherCraft OMG, featuring 50 pockets having enough capacity to keep larger tools within. Manufactured with spill-proof material and quick access pockets, also equipped with textured, padded, and adjustable shoulder strap. Need we say more as of why this bag is one of the best? At number 3, we have your ready to go Carhartt Legacy Brown Tool Bag. It's a perfect blend of open pockets and zip compartments, which increases the utility of this tool bag. Made with quality polyester, it comes with 17 exterior and 10 interior pockets. Being a tool bag on the budget, its quality is no less than a premium tool carrier. It features abrasion-resistant base, metallic interior frame, rugged handles, and triple knitted stitching. Well, it's the bag worth buying. At number 4, we have the Klein Tools 55421BP-14 Electrician Tool Bag, which is well suited for all of your needs. It's basically a backpack which features 39 pockets which you can use for storing all your plumbing related tools. It's a tool bag for mature professionals since it equally exerts the pressure on both shoulders without hurting your back. Klein products never disappoint when it comes to durability. This bag too comes with hard molded pockets for larger tools and front zipper pockets for storing smaller ones. Ever heard of an insulated base in the bags? Well, this bag comes with a fully molded base which protects the inner components if you happen to drop the bag accidentally. Awesome, isn't it? At number 5, we have the VETO Pro Pack Tech Tool Bag. Calling it a tool bag for gangster looking electricians won't be wrong. Well, kidding aside, and let's come to the specifics. This bag belongs to the premium class tool carrier since it features overmolded ergonomic grip, extra padded shoulder straps, and an impressive 3mm thick polypropylene base. Yeah, you heard it right. The VETO Pro tool bag has an aggressive looking design which further adds to its beauty, and it outstands from the rest of the bags in our list. Coming at number 6, we have the Rugged Tools Pro Tool Backpack. Yeah, this bag is something which has been built to last. It features 40 pockets of different sizes, and all the pockets have a molded padding inside for the protection of your tools. In other words, it protects your tools as well. Manufactured using the export-graded polyester, the molded bottom provides a flat surface to stand the tool backpack upright in any environment and elevates your tools so that they do not become damaged. Water, mud, or snow, you can be sure that your tool remains safe and dry. At number 7, we have the Klein Tools 5541610-14 tool bag with shoulder strap. Honestly, the Klein tool bags don't cease to amaze when it comes to the futuristic designs and practicality. Coming at number 7, we have another Klein tool bag with shoulder straps, featuring 40 pockets for tool storage and orange interior. It has large zipper pockets to secure small parts and tools. It has a fully molded bottom for stability that protects it from certain elements. Manufactured using the same 1680D ballistic weave for durability just as its predecessor, this bag has its own fan base. Number 8, we have the DEWALT DG5543 33 pocket tool bag. Well, how can we forget mentioning the champion of the race? With 33 pockets, this tool bag features the pop-open design and large interior compartment to allow for easy access to tools and parts. Additionally, this tool bag has a heavy-duty poly fabric construction to stand up to any job, and also includes one flap-covered pocket with hook and loop closure. Need we say more to justify this bag as one of the top 10 tool bags? At number 9, we have the internet's open top tool bag. A new competitor in the list for top 10 best electrician tool bags. Man oh man, this newcomer has managed to break the competition and has sneaked in to make its place over here. Yeah, made from durable 600D fabric with a semi-stuffed frame and heavy-duty handle, this tool bag is the perfect storage bin tote for all your handheld electrician tools. Innovatively designed with an open top and quality frame, allowing easy access to tools and equipment. At number 10, we have the simplest yet durable tool bag from McGuire-Nicholas. The ultimate open tool tote comes with 14 exterior pockets in various sizes. It has a tapered pocket design for more room. Some of the interior pockets have been strengthened using the tubular steel, and it also has a sturdy foam padded handle. Well, that pretty much wraps our list of top 10 tool bags for electricians. Stay tuned for other interesting top 10 listings as we will keep you posted. Oh yeah, one other thing, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the bell icon to keep yourself notified about our upcoming reviews. Adios amigos.